Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a WACOM MovinkPad 11 and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down in order to find the system. Then let's tap on languages and tap on system languages. So here we've got the list of all, let's say, currently applied languages. Basically, this is the shortcut list of all languages which are available. As you can see, we've got the preferred languages here. So let's tap on Add a Language, and we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So we can scroll and find the language which you'd like to apply. So let me pick maybe Turkish. Just tap on the option, tap on the region if you can. And as you can see, my new language has been immediately applied to the list. However, the English is still a main one. So all we have to do now is to reorder the languages to set the new one as a default. So just tap on it and hold it, and now we can drag it to the very first position. Then let's tap on Change to confirm, and from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. Let me show it to you again. Tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to the first position. Tap on Change, I believe. And we've got English set. If you wish, you can remove the languages from this list. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on Remove. Now mark the language which you'd like to delete and tap on the trash bin icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on Remove, and we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.